Hey guys, just giving you a quick tour of the office here. This is 2596. This is 2596. So it's written here on the side of the building here, but my office suite is actually in the front of the building here. Go this way. So this is where our office suite is located, in through here. Come through this door here. But as you come in, you will make a right-hand turn this way. Then went over to the left. Now all the way down the hall right here. This room that's open. Suite 130. And that's a tour. I hope to see you very, very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.